Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your monitor's brightness on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's begin. So first of all, the easiest way to adjust your brightness of your monitor is to do it using the buttons of your monitor. So you can see it at the back, at the bottom, or just somewhere depending on your monitor. But if that doesn't work, then let me provide you a software solution. So to do that, we need to go into the Microsoft Store. So this is another way that you can do if you don't want to press the buttons. So go into Microsoft Store. And then from here, let's just wait for it to load. And then we are gonna go for Monitorian. Type in Monitorian in the search bar right here, and we're gonna use this one right here, Monitorian. And then let's go and use this. We are gonna download and install this, so click on Get right here. So this is how it would look like. So you can download this in Windows 10 or 11, and you can adjust to brightness right here. And let's just wait for it to finish downloading and installing.